Hello friends! In today's video, we will learn some simple and effective home tips on how to detox the liver. This means using completely natural remedies to flush out all the toxins accumulated in the liver and make it strong and healthy again. These tips are the most effective for getting rid of all kinds of liver-related problems. Within just 20 hours, all the dirt and toxins stored in the liver start getting cleansed. Our liver works like a chemical factory in the body. No matter how much junk food, oily fried items, or chemically prepared medicines we consume, our liver works to remove the harmful effects of all those things from the body. Whenever we eat something, the liver absorbs the essential nutrients from that food and supplies them to different parts of the body. This shows how important the liver's role is in carrying out every function in our body. If the liver has any issues, the whole system of our body starts malfunctioning. If this bad condition continues, it can lead to serious and life-threatening diseases such as hepatitis, fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, alcoholic liver disease, Gilbert's syndrome, and even liver cancer. That's why it's extremely important to take care of liver problems from the very beginning. Because in almost 80% of liver damage cases, medicines don't work. This is because our liver does not like chemicals at all. In reality, only natural remedies work effectively for the liver. So now let's talk about 3 successful and powerful tips to cleanse the liver. These help in removing toxins and repairing liver issues through a complete process. It's like a type of home treatment. Even if you go to a doctor, along with medicines, they may also advise you to fast for a few days, so that the medicine works more effectively. In the same way, for natural home remedies, you need to try cleansing the liver properly the first time itself. For this, the first step is to completely stop eating junk food, deep-fried oily food, and spicy items for at least 5 to 6 days. Instead, try to eat more homemade food, and when eating, make sure to fill half of your stomach with just salads and vegetables. If you can maintain this for 5 to 6 days, then the liver detox tips will completely solve your problem right from the start. During these 5 to 6 days, try to eat a light diet without much oil or spices, along with fruits. Also, on 1 or 2 days, replace your full meal with only fruits to give your liver a complete rest. Our liver and digestive system keep working non-stop and continuously endure the bad effects of unhealthy food we eat. By following a fruit-based diet for 5 to 6 days, the liver will get much-needed relief, and its weakness will gradually reduce. From the very beginning of applying these home remedies, you will start seeing amazing and surprising results. Among fruits, seasonal fruits like apples, papaya, watermelon, pineapple, beetroot, and carrots are especially beneficial for the liver. If you cannot eat fruits in larger amounts, then at least try to keep your meals light, with less spice. For that, you can eat khichdi, lentils, oats, and brown rice in higher portions. This type of diet should be followed for only 5 to 6 days for liver cleansing. After that, you may return to your regular eating routine. Now, let's talk about the remedies you can use after completing these 5 to 6 days to remove the remaining toxins and heal liver problems. To prepare this remedy, simply blend a handful of coriander leaves and make about 1 glass of juice. Then add 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of black salt, and 1 spoon of lemon juice. Now, add 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of black salt, and 1 spoon of lemon juice to this juice. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach. In this drink, we have used bitter gourd, coriander leaves, and turmeric. Turmeric is very effective for detoxifying the liver. It has antibacterial properties that help cleanse a toxic liver quickly. Bitter gourd and coriander leaves help to cool the liver, allowing it to function properly throughout the day and keeping the body energized. If this drink is consumed continuously for at least 8 days, all the toxins in the liver will be flushed out. Additionally, radish leaves are very helpful for liver cleansing. Usually, when we eat radish, we throw away the leaves, but when toxins build up in the liver, these leaves act like a new life-giving remedy for the body. To use them, wash the leaves thoroughly, then blend them to make juice. To increase its benefits, you can also add 1 beetroot and a little ginger while blending. Drink this juice every day after meals. This remedy helps in preventing jaundice, weakness, piles, and even hair fall. If you consume this continuously for 1 week, you can get relief from many liver-related problems. Another effective remedy is raisin water, which works like a powerful medicine for liver cleansing. Take about 500 milliliters of water, add 150 grams of raisins, and soak them overnight. In the morning, strain the water and keep it aside. Drink this water little by little throughout the day, starting from an empty stomach in the morning. In the evening, you can also eat the soaked raisins along with it. Drinking raisin water continuously for 3 days helps remove all the toxins from the liver and makes it healthier than before. Raisin water also helps in solving digestive issues like gas and acidity. It is full of antioxidants, which remove fatigue from the body and keep you energetic throughout the day. From the second day of use itself, you will notice a difference in your health and strength. So my friend, these were some simple and effective home remedies to cleanse the liver. By following them regularly, the liver detoxifies quickly and becomes healthier than before. If you liked this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. May your day be filled with happiness.